Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your LinkedIn address on your PC with the latest update. It's a simple process that helps you keep your profile complete and professional, so let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to LinkedIn. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Me icon. This is where you access your profile settings and account preferences. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now, under the Account Preferences section, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you manage your personal details that appear on your profile. Scroll down until you see the Edit Contact Info option. Click on it, and you'll be able to add or update your address information. Enter your address carefully to ensure it's accurate and up-to-date. After adding your address, make sure to confirm the changes by saving or applying the update. This will ensure your LinkedIn profile reflects your current contact details. And that's it. You've successfully added your LinkedIn address on your PC using the new update. Keeping your profile information complete helps you connect better with colleagues, recruiters, and potential business partners. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your LinkedIn experience.